What is verb? A verb is a word that we use to refer to action, what things do, and state of beings, how things are. Almost every sentence requires a verb. The basic form of a verb is known as its infinitives. They form call, love, break, and go. For example, drinking, eating, running, reading, climbing, dancing, sleeping. Types of verb. Action verb. Describe an action that someone can do or demonstrate. For example, we baked a carrot cake. Stative verb. Describe a position or state of being that you can't see but exists anyway. For example, you deserve a prize. Regular verb only adds d or ed in its past tense form. For example, we walked to the concert. Irregular verb changes form in the past tense. For example, I spoke to my neighbor. Transitive verb expresses an action and is followed by a direct object. Example, Oliver's son has love. Intransitive verb expresses an action is not followed by the direct object, may be followed by the phrase. Example, we sat on the stone wall. Linking verb contact to the subject to the details about the subject. You seem like a thoughtful person. Auxiliary verb help the main verb of a sentence by extending its meaning. Example, I have been there before. Compound verb to combine words that make one new words. Example, you can babysit my kids tonight. Thank you for the watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon.